G'day guys, welcome to another video, and in today's video you are watching this because you are wondering what is that beeping sound when you turn off the keys on your car. What is that beeping sound? It might go something a bit like this. You're wondering, what is that sound? Why is it happening? Well, let me tell you why that sound is happening. You forgot to turn your headlights off, guys. So to get rid of this sound, just do this. And just like that, that annoying beeping sound has gone, and you no longer have to worry about your car potentially exploding. That's just the lights letting you know that it doesn't want to drain your battery overnight. It wants to let you know that you are able to get to work in the morning, guys, without worrying about a dead battery. So beep 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 off. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching, and subscribe if you want more how-to videos. I'm doing how-to videos for multiple different things, not just cars, guys. Okay, and yeah, thank you for watching, and peace out.